Hi guys, what is going on here? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to solve a JavaScript coding exercise, and which is termed JavaScript variables exercise. Okay, this is a problem. Given the existing code below, can you write some code so that their values are switched around? Okay, variable A is declared and assigned to a string 3, and variable B is also declared and assigned to a string 8, so that the variable A holds the value 8 and the variable B holds the value 3 when the code is run. Let's see other information here. Okay, the code is run. Okay, that is good. It should output A is 3, A is 8, and B is 3. Do not change any of the existing code. You are not allowed to type any numbers. Okay, you should not redeclare the variables A and B. So you should not say variable A equal to and variable B. Don't declare this. That's what that is saying. Okay, now we have a function tests, and variable A is equal to 3 and variable B is a string 8. So basically we'll have to do a pseudocode. Our time will not permit us to do that. But then if you don't understand this problem, you may not be able to solve it. But it's a simple problem. You can think of it as having two container, one having sand and the other one having water. So, and if we are to switch or interswitch those contents in those container, let's say the bucket having sand is to be switched such that it will be having water, and the sand switch into the other to be okay. So if you have to do that, I think it's not going to be possible. The possible way we can do this is to introduce another container, which is variable C, and then when you do that, you turn the variable in A into the C, and then you turn that in the B into the A and the C into the B. That's how you can be able to switch it as fast as possible. So we can do that with coding, and we're allowed to use line 7 to 9 for this coding challenge. So let's see how we can do that. We have to create a variable C and we'll assign it to the first container, which is A. We'll close this line of code with a semicolon, and then remember we are not to declare the variable A and B again. So what is the next thing we should do? We have to create an indentation so the code will be clear. So I will have to, at this point, assign A to B. The A should hold that of B, just exactly what I explained using sand as a sample space, and then B, the next line will be that B will be holding the container in C, or the value in C. All right, that is just simple. All right, so you can see we created another variable, which is the third container we introduced, so that we can be able to switch the sand and the water. And then remember that what we want to do is that we want A to be or to hold 8, and we want B to hold 3. So the only way we could do is to introduce C and then assign it to A, so that we can be able to put in this 3 into C, so that we can return this B or this A, the value that was in A for B, and also B to the C we introduced. So let's try to see if this code is correct. Okay, we've already console logged this. Let's see if it is correct by checking this. Let's check the solution. Here we go. Excellent. Well done. Your solution is correct. So that is just the solution to that problem. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already. If you've subscribed, please stay subscribed and like this video, comment, share, and also make sure you turn on the notifications so that when I upload new value or new video rather, you will be notified. Thank you. Stay tuned.